Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing out again these Master's Touch Fine Art Studio acrylic markers. I had someone comment on one of my videos where I was doing the swatching that she had bought them, and about a couple of weeks that she's been using them, the color seems to have been changing and not working as well. So I thought, I haven't used these in a few weeks, so I thought I would go ahead and maybe for the rest of, well, for a week or so, week or two, maybe do a drawing every day and we'll see what happens. So these are the colors. There's 24 colors in here. So I'll keep that there. So let's see, maybe we'll just do something whimsical. Let's see, I could do, maybe I will draw a cat. No surprise there. But let's take a look here at the colors. And these come with a sort of like a bullet point nib. And so let me just pick a color here. Maybe we can start off maybe with an orange cat. I used to have an orange tabby. These are acrylics, so you can layer them, and this is mixed media paper. Let's see, so this is the Hobby Lobby brand Master's Touch mixed media paper. So it sort of drinks in, I guess you could say, the color, the paint sinks into the paper, but I don't think it, yeah, it doesn't bleed through onto the other side. Just do this for now. Okay. And I think she was saying too that the nibs started to fray, but that's why I figured maybe I'll do a drawing every week. Excuse me, every day for a week, and we'll see, you know, what happens, what it looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and maybe put some flowers around. Let's pick some pink and just some flowers. Again, this is really just to test out how long these last and if I experience the same thing as the person that was also using them. And she said she only had them for 2 weeks. Maybe one flower there. Just loose flowers. And maybe we can put another one here. And you can see it will cover up the orange because they are opaque. Okay, maybe some purple. I like this purple. This one seems to have more paint than the others. For some reason, it seems like there's more paint coming out of it. And I haven't tried this on canvas, but I have used these again in this mixed media sketchbook, as well as on my black paper sketchbook, which is a smoother paper where it seemed like the acrylic was actually laying on top of the paper, whereas this is soaking in. So I haven't tried it on canvas. I probably won't, because if I were to paint on canvas, it would be with the liquid acrylics, not the paint pens. So this is a green, maybe just put some leaves. There. This one too seems to have quite a bit of color. Okay. And let's see, maybe this lilac here in the center. Those two flowers and this yellow. So far these seems to be working well, but again, I haven't used them in a while. Let's make color eyes. Let's choose this one too, has plenty of paint in it. And wait for that to dry. And maybe just some more flowers around. Let's see, we could put that there in the middle. Again, this is just some loose design, again, just to test out the ink every day this week. But also to have fun with it, why not? Let's see. Maybe a little yellow flower here. It's pretty yellow. This one was the one that I used here in the center. And it's pretty nice blue. Okay. So I guess I would say let's try this gray. For this anyway, so far it's been working, but we'll continue on and see. I don't know if this was the blue that I used. And yep, so I guess I'll continue on, and so far, so good, but we'll see tomorrow and the days that follow, how these markers work. Maybe, or if they run out quickly out of ink, maybe I could do, haven't used the grays, so let's see, maybe I will just draw, maybe. Just want to use maybe some of the blues and the grays, and maybe just draw a fish here. Let's see. Let me get my grays. I could start with the blues. And I don't know, there's nothing in here that indicates that you have to shake it. There's not, for example, like a ball in there that has to mix up the paint. We'll do that. Maybe this blue here. Let's try this green. Maybe just a little bit of white there too. All right, and where are my grays? Okay, I thought there was more than one gray, but I guess not. Okay. All right, so you do want to be careful because if it's wet, it will get on your hand. Okay, let's see, let's try maybe this lighter blue. Yep, so far, at least I know, for example, in this darker blue, I was working on it on the side, and again, it's mixed media paper. for my black. So there. We use this pink, but again, just to test out these colors and pens and see if any of them seem to run out of paint in them. But so far, they seem to be, they seem to be okay. Let me try this one. I'm not sure if this is the one that she mentioned, but so far, that one's working well. Let's try to find a different color. I think I tried this one already. Sometimes it's fun just to, take what you have and just play around with them. It's a pretty orange, actually. I like that orange. Okay. Okay, so that's just some abstract art, but I have to say I had fun. So far they're working well. All right, so that's it, I guess, for today. And we will try these out again tomorrow. Maybe I'll do 2 drawings tomorrow. I'll plan out something, maybe draw something. So I like this too. It came out, fun and whimsical. So, all right. So let me know if you have these, if you have experienced any issues as well. And we'll see how these 2 weeks go. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.